On that corner grave she waits for me, and she takes from me all the blues I know. Both our tiny wings are broken, and hoping that one day they'll unfold. Help me sing, Stonebird, all them memories, what my people held, what they planted in this ground. Help me sing, Stonebird, where I'm going. Is it by and by where I'm bound? Her song reaches up from under me, and it's teaching me how a blessing's made. Both my tired eyes are opening, reminding me that I know how to pray. So help me sing, Stonebird, all them memories that my people grew, that they carried in the ground. Help me see, Stonebird, where I come from. Is that by and by where I'm bound? Help me see, Stonebird, all the memories that my people grew, that they carry in this ground. Help me see,